Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and I'm so excited to share with you that I'm the guest designer for Scrapbooking Store this month of January 2025. If you've never heard of this company before, they do monthly curated subscriptions of amazing scrapbook paper and embellishments. Now they are literally the best in the industry for cost. It's super affordable. The paper packs are $13 each, and then you can add on an embellishment pack for $7. So if you love having a little surprise each month with your crafting goodies, this would be a wonderful subscription for you. I will put my affiliate link down below for them. Thank you so much for using it. Make sure you try them out if you haven't heard of them before. And I'm really excited to share with you January 2025's scrapbook kit. So let me dig in. Okay, so this month they are using Winter Wonder by Simple Stories. So that's going to be your 12 by 12 pack. That's going to be the $13 each month. And then they have an embellishment pack here. Now, a little note, I believe they ran out of the Sticko Vellum stickers. And so I got something even more beautiful, I think. This is Jolie's Boutique. It's like a little wooden snowflake with some glitter and mirrored pieces in there. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited about this, honestly. But I will show you more of the embellishments in a minute. Let me show you the main kit first. So like I said, Simple Stories 12 by 12 collection kit of Winter Wonder. It's 107 pieces. And I am so excited because I can see myself using this for Bible journaling, but also for card making or other crafts. So it's not just for scrapbookers. I know that's what it's made for, but there's so many other paper crafts that you can use with these kits. So let me jump in and show you what comes in this paper pack. The first paper we have is Burr Burr Burr. This is a bunch of cute little snowmen. And the back side is this like word fetty. So we have like, let's snuggle, want to build a snowman, walking in a winter wonderland, hello winter, just a bunch of fun snowy sayings. And then we have this paper, which is called Snow Happy. I believe it's super dark, but I believe it's a navy still. But all these different snowflakes. And then you have a really fun plaid on the back. What's great about these papers is that you're gonna have some that are winter themed, but a bunch of these you could use not during winter as well. And it's not only winter colors. So I like how they have the blues, but they also have some pops of bright color in there as well. This paper is called Chill Out. So you have some messy drawn little circles here. And then a nice solid stripe with a bunch of colors. I love this one. I know it doesn't look very wintry, although you have almost like an evergreen little sprig in the back. But this is called Sparkle Season with the florals. I just love the colors in here. And then on the back side, you have a bunch of burrs on there with a really cool blue color. Then we have some more snowflakes for Chilly and Happy is this paper's name. And then on the back side, I love this one. Look at that coral polka dot. This is called Comfy, Cozy, and Cuddly. I can just imagine Fussy cutting some of these out and using them. This is adorable. I love this one. And then look at that pink gingham. So cute. Then this one, Snuggle Up, with little mugs. And then you have a wonky kind of plaid on the back side. Now we have our tags here. So fun. Hot cocoa season. You make me snow happy. It's cold. Let's cuddle. I just love these tags. And then on the back side, you have just lined or grid. Some of them are blank, but I like how the top has this fun little element of printed paper. And then we have our journal elements. So this would be perfect for Bible journaling to add a little verse like in my typewriter, or you can handwrite them out, but this is, I love this. Oh, if you wanted to make a list of things right there. Love this one, Wonder. And then the back side, look at that. This one is 3x4 elements. So cute. Love that. And look at this one. And then look at that. You have those florals again. Now this is like a black. I wonder if it's different than the blue. Let me see. Or maybe it is black. I don't know. I thought it was navy blue before. Maybe it is. But anyways, you have, you know, your black greenery with that mint floral. And then you have 4x4s. Warm and cozy, magic of winter. Love this. Snow cones. 'Tis the season to sparkle. And then on the back, you have this greenery. Then you have 4x6s. These would be great for cards, just for making a nice card for someone. I love this one. Hot cocoa. And then on the back side, you have another plaid. And then this paper is going to be your stickers, cardstock stickers. So you have some word fetty down here. You have a little border that you can use, some tabs, some different elements and words. Love this snowman and the polar bear. But some signs. I don't know. It's just gorgeous. It's cute and it's fun. I like the colors that it comes with. So I think this is going to be a great little kit to use in my Bible journaling and card making. So there's this. So this is $13. And then let me grab the extra elements. So like I said, I got this one instead, but let me do a little close-up of what this sticker looks like. So that's what the normal one looked like. And then we have some chipboard frames. So this is from the same collection, Winter Wonder. If you wanted to add some photos to a page. So you have, actually, let me move this so you can see better. Wonder. Oh, look at that little polar bear. Oh, I love this. Look at that. That is so fun. Oh my goodness. Winter Wonderland. Then this one's like split. Actually, there's two of them split. Oh, so cold. And then stay warm and snuggle up. So those are your chipboard, frames from Simple Stories. And then lastly, we have an Echo Park one, which is chipboard phrases. So not the same collection, but something that will coordinate and work alongside these. You Melt My Heart. I love that one. So that is it. That is the January 2025 kit from Scrapbooking Store. Again, I will put my affiliate link down below, and you'll see me working with some of these the rest of this month. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down below if you have heard of them before, or what's your favorite element out of this kit, and we'll talk to you all soon. Bye guys.